We drive towards each other from their houses, which are 267.41 kilometers apart. Emma drives at a speed of 11 kilometers per hour, slower than 2.3 times Naomi's speed. They meet after 1.7 hours. Find Emma and Naomi's driving speeds. Round your answer to the nearest hundredth of a kilometer per hour. We make a table with speed, time, and distance. I put Emma and Naomi's names here, their speeds. Now we're told that their speed, Emma drives 11 kilometers per hour, slower than 2 times Naomi's speed. Emma's speed is compared to Naomi's speed. And Naomi's speed, we don't know. That's our unknown variable. Naomi's speed is x. Emma drives at a speed that's 11 kilometers per hour slower than, I'm taking away 11 from something, we just don't know what the something is, slower than 2.3 times Naomi's speed. So you write the 2.3x first, then the minus 11. The time, they meet after 1.7 hours. This is already in decimal form, we don't have to modify this. The time is 1.7. Each of them is traveling for 1.7 hours. The distance that they're each traveling is going to be 1.7 times their speed. For Emma, it's going to be 1.7 times the 2.3x minus 11. And for Naomi, it's going to be 1.7 times x. Then we know that Emma's distance plus Naomi's distance equals 267.41 kilometers. Because their two houses are 267.41 kilometers apart, they're meeting. We know that the distance that Emma travels and the distance that Naomi travels is the 267.41 kilometers that's between them. Emma's distance, I'm just going to replace the word Emma's distance with 1.7 times 2.3x minus 11, and replacing Naomi's distance with 1.7x. The 1.7 here is going to distribute and multiply the 2.3x and multiply the negative 11. That's 1.7 times 2.3 is 3.91. 1.7 times the 11 is 18.7. I am going to add my like terms, so I'm going to add the 3.91 to the 1.7, and that gives us 5.61x. I want to get rid of this 18.7 to get all my x's alone, so I'm going to add 18.7 to both sides. The 2.67 plus the 18.7, 286.11. Then I want to get my x all alone. It's being multiplied by 5.61, so I'm going to divide both sides by 5.61. I'm dividing by 5.61 to cancel it out, but if I divide the left-hand side by 5.61, I also have to divide the right-hand side by 5.61. 286.11 divided by 5.61 is 51. Naomi's speed is 51. Emma's speed is going to be 2.3 times x minus 11, which is 2.3 times 51, take away 11, times 2.3, take away 11 is 106.3. This is a tenth, and they're asking us to round to the nearest hundredth, but it's not necessary here. So the nearest hundredth is 106.30 kilometers per hour, but we would drop the 0 anyway. There's our answer. 51 kilometers per hour for Naomi's speed, and Emma's speed is 106.3 kilometers per hour. Have a good day.